instructor, John Black. Now, John's going to do something special for us as he gets ready to recover and land. John is going to park his airplane up front, give you an opportunity to get his autograph and shake hands with him and chat with him a little bit. Cody, he loves it upside down, better right side up. Some G's are. That's instead of gravity pushing down on you, it pushes up on you. 500 hours in F-15s, including as an F-15 instructor pilot with the Air National Guard. John grew up just outside of Dayton, Ohio, where the Air Force Museum is located. When he was a little boy, his father would take him to the museum almost every weekend. And he's just had a love of airplanes and flying ever since he was a little kid, which is true with a lot of us. Now, John does a maneuver in this Super Decathlon that you don't see many airshow performers do. If you remember that old movie, The Great Waldo Pepper, you saw them all talking about what's called an outside loop. Well, winds permitting, John is going to show us an outside loop as well as the inside loops this afternoon. That big circle in the sky, the inside Barnstormer's loop. John's infamous outside loop. Let's see what happens here when he gets turned around. Over the top. The outside loop, simply unbelievable. Upside down. How about that? An outside loop. The only other place I've seen that is in that old movie, The Great Waldo Pepper. And that was trick photography. John